So guys, you can see that it is working. It's like blue, green, blue, red, then red, blue, green, and then double green and again red, blue, green. See that? Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can interface an RGB LED module with a PIC16F877A microcontroller. So let's get started. So guys, this is an RGB module easily available in the market. It also comes in this form as well. Only the difference is this has an SMD package while this has a through hole package. Rest is the same. So we are going to use this right one here. As you can see, it already have resistor installed on it. So you do not need an external resistor for each LED. If you use this LED separately, then you have to use the resistor yourself. But in a module, you don't have to use the resistor. So guys, as you can see, it has 4 pins and they are labeled as well. But still, I'm going to label them again for you. If you hold it like this, the leftmost LED represents the blue pin. Then we have green LED, pin for the green LED. Then we have pin for the red LED and then there is a ground pin. You do not need to give the power. Power will be given by these pins. So let's get to our PIC16F877A microcontroller having 40 pins. It's a DIP version. Now this is our module. I am again going to label it for you. If you hold it like this, then the leftmost is the blue LED pin, then the green LED pin, then the red LED pin, then the rightmost is the ground pin. Now let's connect it with the PIC. So for the LED pins BGR, you can use any available digital input output pin of your PIC. For the blue, I'm going to use a pin number C1. For the green, I'm going to use the pin number C0, that is pin number 15 of the PIC. For the red, I'm going to use the pin number C2 of the port C of the PIC16F877A microcontroller. And now for the ground, just connect it to the common ground of the PIC. In this way, your wiring are completed. Now let's get to the hardware. Let me show you the hardware before we get to the programming. So this is the hardware here. This is our RGB LED module, as you can see in the presentation as well. Then guys, here at the back we have our PIC16F877A. This is the PIC 3.5 burner and that is a board whose link I will share how to set up this board. So let's get to our MikroC for programming. So let me zoom it in first. As you can see guys, this is version 7.2.0. I go to File, New project, then this window pops up, New project wizard. I click on next, then write the name of the file, whatever you want to write. I write RGB learning microcontroller tutorial like this. Now guys, this is the place folder where you will have the hex file created and also your coding will be saved. So select the folder, then select the microcontroller you are going to use. I'm going to use a PIC16F877A. Then the crystal I am using is 20 megahertz, so I set it to 20. Then click on next and finish. Now guys, this page will pop up here. Before you do anything, remember, click and press the Ctrl S key to save your work like this. Now guys, first of all, we declare the pins. So we are using 3 pins. One is the tris C.F0 for green pin. This will be for the green LED, and initially the state must be off. Port C.F0 equals to 0. Like in case of an Arduino, you write pin mode output. So here you use the tris register, and for the initial state in the Arduino you use digital write 0 high or low. So here we will write 0 for the low, 1 for the high. 0 means it's an output pin and 1 means it's an input pin. So 0 means it's an LED, so it's an output pin. Now give some initialization delay. 10 will do fine. Now guys, this is 1 pin, the green pin. Now we do for the rest of the 2 pins. Just copy paste this twice like this. Now we do the editing. For the blue pin, we have pin number C1, so make it 1. And now it is for the blue LED. Write down blue here. Now C2, C.F2 is for the red LED. So make it red like this. Now it's red LED. Now guys, we go to our forever loop. We have our LED pins initialized. Let's get to our forever loop. Write while 1. Forever loop starting here, ending here. Now first of all, what I am going to do is that I will write such a program that one by one green LED will turn on, then the blue turns on, and then the red turns on. And then guys, it will go the opposite. It will come back red, blue, green. So first of all, let's turn on the green LED. So initially it's off, bring it here, turn it on. It becomes dead. 1 means it's on now. Give some initialization delay. Oh sorry, delay for how long the LED is on. I give it like 500 for half second. The green LED is on. Now the green LED will turn off. Now the next LED we have to turn on because green is off now. Now the next LED is a blue LED. So this is the initial state. Now we change it to on here, make it 1. Now the blue is on, green is off. Now we go for the third LED. For half second the blue will remain on and then the red will turn on. Now for the red LED, this is the command. Initially it's off, just copy it, paste it here. Now it will turn on. Now what will happen is that now the red LED is on. Now the other LED, that is our blue LED, this has to turn off. So before turning on the red, we will turn off the blue like this. So here what is happening is that, let's give a delay, that red LED will remain on for half a second. First of all, the green LED turned on for half second, then it turned off, then the blue LED turned on, then it remained on for a half second, then the blue LED turned off, then the red LED turned on, then it remained on for a half second. Now we go the opposite. Now first of all, the red LED will turn off. This is the red LED. We turn off the red LED and now I make it 0. Now we go opposite. Now the blue will turn on. So this is our blue LED. Now red is off, blue is on again like this, make it 1. Now the blue remains on for half a second. Just copy this command, delay ms 500. Now blue is on. Now the blue has to turn off and the green has to turn on. So first of all we turn off the blue. Here we go, the blue is off. Now we turn on the green. This is the green. So now the green will turn on and it will remain on for half a second. Then again guys, the green will turn off and the loop will repeat again like this. Now it will turn off and now again the green will turn on here and then the blue, then the red, and that's all. So guys, this is how our loop is gonna repeat. So let's build this code. Okay, it's built without error. Now let's burn it. Okay, go to the file, import hex file. This is the code I just wrote. Click on write. Go to the hardware. Let me zoom out so you can see better. So the new code is being written. Let it write. Once it write up, then I click on the on button. I will power it up from the PIC16 programming tool. Okay, I click on. See, green, blue, red. See. So guys, you can see that it is following our code. You can play with the code. You can write whatever the code you want. See that it is working fine. So guys, this is it. This is how you use an RGB LED. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.